In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Canva slides with Morph transition. If you've ever wanted your shapes, text, or images to glide smoothly from one slide to the next, this is the effect you are after. It's called Match and Move in Canva. And it creates a morph-like animation by tracking the same elements across slides. Start by opening your design in Canva. You can use an existing project or create a new one, but make sure you are in a layout that supports multiple pages. On your first slide, set up the elements you want to animate. Add your shapes, type out your text, and place your images. Think intentionally about where each item starts. The cleaner and more organized your first slide is, the better the motion will look later. For example, place a circle on the left if you want it to move to the right on the next slide. Or keep a headline centered if you plan to scale it up. Next, duplicate the page. Click the three dots on the slide thumbnail and choose Duplicate Page or press Ctrl D if you prefer shortcuts. Duplicating is important because it keeps the same underlying elements, which helps Canva follow them during the transition. On the second slide, modify those elements. Move them to new positions. Resize them to be larger or smaller. Rotate them for added motion, or change their colors for a dynamic shift. The key is to transform the same items rather than deleting and replacing them. Subtle adjustments work beautifully, but bold changes can be really eye-catching too. Try sliding a shape across the canvas, enlarging a photo slightly, or changing a button's color to guide the viewer's attention. Now, apply the transition. In the timeline or page view, click the plus icon between the two slides. Select Add Transition and choose Match and Move. Canva will analyze where each element began and ended, and animate the in-between. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure everything flows as intended. Finally, adjust the settings. Set the duration to around 1.0 to 2.0 seconds. Shorter durations feel snappy and energetic. Longer ones feel smoother and more cinematic. If your project has multiple pages, choose Apply between all pages so every transition stays consistent throughout your slideshow. That's it. Thanks for watching.